Did you know that the average age of a vehicle in the U.S. is over 12 years old? That means there's a lot of out-of-warranty cars out there, which means a lot of expensive vehicle repairs. Getting stuck with those costs is the last thing anyone wants right now. But you don't have to if you call CarShield. Plans through CarShield provide low-cost monthly car protection that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs on your out-of-warranty vehicle. Those plans can pay for expensive repairs on up to 5,000 parts of your car when they break down, including your engine, your transmission, AC, entertainment unit, and even your electrical system.
When I called a customer and told them that everything that needed to be done from the car was going to be covered, they were ecstatic. I feel great about recommending CarShield to everybody I see.
When you call CarShield, you'll get a price lock guarantee. That means your low monthly price never goes up, as long as you cover your car.
If you're driving an out-of-warranty car, it's not a matter of if it'll break down, it's when. So you need to call CarShield before it does.
Your plan can even go the extra mile by including 24/7 coast-to-coast roadside assistance with things like flat or damaged tires, lockouts, dead batteries, and courtesy towing, all at no additional cost to you. If you've got an out-of-warranty vehicle, you need to call CarShield and get their price lock guarantee for a low monthly rate for as long as you cover your car. But darlings, this is important. You have to call before your car breaks down, or it's too late.
Call CarShield now. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with the CarShield guarantee. Your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.